Hey there, foodies! Ever tried a pancake that's not sweet but savory, crispy, and absolutely delicious? Stay tuned because today we're making the trending German potato pancakes. You won't believe how simple yet mouth-watering they are. Now let's quickly go over what we need. Some good old potatoes, an onion, an egg, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a bit of cooking oil. First off, we're going to peel and grate our potatoes and onion. Then we'll mix them up in a bowl with the egg and season it with some salt and pepper. Next, we'll heat up some oil in a pan over medium heat. We'll scoop up a spoonful of our potato mixture, drop it in the pan, and flatten it out with the back of the spoon. We'll let it cook until it turns a nice golden brown on both sides. And voila, there you have it, folks. Delicious German potato pancakes. They're perfect for a hearty breakfast or as a side dish for your main course. Give this recipe a shot and drop us a comment below on how it turned out. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Catch you in the next video.